So when you first log into your ecobee app, you are greeted with several options. Now, in my case, I've got 2 thermostats and the smart plug. This is just for the smart plug, so we're gonna try and concentrate on those. So right here, you've got your smart plug with its name. You can turn on, and even though it looks like it's still cycling, my light did turn on rather quickly. Same thing with turning it off. It looks like it's still cycling, but it turned off the second I clicked on it. But if we click on the smart switch itself, again, big button, turn it on, it's already on even though it hasn't fully actuated. Turn it off, it's already off even though it hasn't fully actuated. The easiest things, we're gonna start from the right and work our way left. This would be your toggle for she who shall not be named. Clicking on that will allow you to adjust the sound volume. You can disable or enable a request sound, so just letting you know it heard you. And then you have, what can I ask my ecobee? Now, down here, since I already did this, you don't see it, but it had an area to link your she who shall not be named. In my case, now I can unlink it. Unlinking it will make it so that you don't have to keep the device muted if you don't want to use Alex A in that area. Next, smart features. So one of the primary reasons I got this was for these smart features, and that is smart shut off, which is after 5 minutes, it will shut off. Now, you can toggle this on or off, all these features. Now, you'll notice that by default, when you turn it back on or when you turn it on for the first time, it is 15 minutes. So we can come in here, tap on that, and we say, nope, I want less time because I want that light not being on all that often. So again, thinking, and locked in. Smart on, so when you walk into the room, it turns itself on. Another feature, not primarily, one major reasons I got this particular light switch. And then night light, which is just a little one singular LED at the bottom of it. And then hamburger button, these are our options. So device settings, we can click on that. We can say device name. Now, by default, you have choices here, but you are not limited to the choices that are here. You can actually give it a custom name. Mine's in my kitchen, so I just let it sit with the name kitchen. Wi-Fi network, well, that's gonna be information about your Wi-Fi network, so we're not gonna go into that. It is going to show you information that's highly sensitive, so I'm not gonna show you that either, sorry. And then help and support, well, that's just it, help and support. Light bar status, resetting device, smart home integration, it's just think of it as an FAQ of information. See, it brings you right to their site so that you can get information. And that's the ease of the app for the light switch. Now, there are lots of other things that you can do. You can see up here, there is home. You can set up different areas. In my case, I have one home. I don't have a vacation home, so this is just home. Up here, you can add a new device, which I'll be doing that eventually. You have vacation. So from here, you can either press up there to set a vacation, or you can click the big button, set a vacation. What this will allow you to do is, again, because I have several ecobee devices, they're all kind of listed here, but you can set, here's when I'm gonna go on vacation, here's when I'm coming back from vacation, and then things that your stuff can do. So in my case, with the light switch, we're gonna click on that. During vacation, up here, home. So we can click on that, keep light off, or appears home. So what that'll do is that will turn the lights on and off. So right there. On and off at night to make it look like you're home. So that's what vacation mode will do for the light switch. In my case, we're just going to X because we don't want to keep any of that. And then over here you have your account, which will have geofencing, which doesn't do anything with the light switch. Manage home, well, if you have more than one home, that's where you would do it. Donate your data, still don't know how I feel about that, not donating my data at this time. And general about, and then this integration with Spotify, I don't have Spotify. Not gonna lie, not entirely sure why that's there. Coming home, that is the ecobee app. It is wonderfully simplistic, so there's not much to go over.